Here's a super easy question that you could get in your maths IGCSE paper 42 calculator. So they have asked you to find the angle CAB, and they have given you this angle which is actually 63. So they have asked you to find CAB, which is this angle right here. Okay. And they've asked you to find AB, which is from here to here. So how are you going to find that? We are going to use the sine rule. So they've given CB as 10 centimeters and they've given CA as 14 centimeters. So using this information, we can use the sine rule. So what is the sine rule? The sine rule states that sine of an angle over the opposite side, let's say A, equals to sine of another angle, let's say B, over the opposite side. So what we're going to do over here is that we're going to take two pairs. First we're going to take this pair because we have both, and now we need to find this angle, right? So we're going to take this pair. Okay, so it's going to be sine 63 over 14, which is the opposite side, which is equal to sine theta, we don't know the angle, over 10. Okay, so just take sine 10 to the other side and it's going to become sine 63 over 14 times 10 equals to sine theta, sine theta. All right, so the answer of this is 0.6364, and we're actually going to take sine inverse of that, and we will find theta. So theta is going to turn out to be 39.5 degrees. So CAB equals to 39.5 degrees. Now we need to find the length of AB over here, right? So we're gonna use the sine rule again. However, the opposite angle we do not have, so we'll just calculate it real quick because we have found this to be 39.5. So 180 minus 39.5 minus 63, we get 77.5. So this is 77.5. Okay, now we have a pair that we can use to find the angle AB. So sine of 63 over 14 equals to sine of 77.5 over AB. So let's just cross multiply and we're gonna get, I'm just gonna solve it out real quick, and we're gonna get AB equals to sine 77.5 times 14 all over sine 63. So we're gonna solve that, and that is going to turn out to be 15.34, or we can just write 15 centimeters. So there you go, that is your answer for AB and for CAB. Super easy way to use the sine rule in your maths calculator paper.